Hey guys, it's Miss Ross. Okay, so I am here today to teach you about the things that living things have to have to survive. Okay, so put on here, label your piece of paper what living things need. And I ask my class to record these anchor charts in their science journals so that you have them when it's time to take your science test, okay? Or to review for your science test. Okay, so these are the things that living things need. And then what I want you to do is I want you to draw two interlocking circles, making sure you leave a big open space here in the middle. Because there are two types of living things, okay? First off, you know one type of living thing is that there are humans, right? Okay, and with humans, along with humans, I'm also going to put animals because humans and animals are kind of closely related in terms of being living things. Over here, you're going to put the other type of living things, which is plants. Okay, these are producers, these are consumers. Okay, plants are producers because they make their own food. Humans and animals are consumers because we cannot make our own food. Okay, so remember, plants are producers, write that over here, producers. They make their own food using sunlight. Okay, they make their own food using sunlight and water. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the types of air or gases that both of these things need. Okay, in the middle here, this is your both. You're going to write the things that both of them need here. Okay, so, and I'm going to make that darker so that you can see it. Okay, so both humans and animals and plants, both producers and consumers, they both have to have gases. Okay, there's gases that they need. And I'm going to put gas/air. Okay. Now, you know that humans have to have oxygen. Okay, we have to have oxygen to breathe in. And when we breathe in our oxygen, we go, and then we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide. Okay, now plants are the opposite. Plants take in carbon dioxide. That's what they need to live. And they expel dioxide and they expel oxygen. So we breathe in oxygen and put out carbon dioxide, and plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Okay, so that's how we rely on each other. Okay, producers make their own food. Humans and animals are consumers. We cannot make our own food. Okay, all right, but both oxygen and carbon dioxide are both types of gas or air, okay? The other thing that we need is we need both plants and animals have got to have energy, okay? So humans, we get our energy from food, right? Okay, we get our energy from food, all right? We consume food and we take the nutrients into our body, okay? And plants, they get their energy from the sun. What they do is they take sun and water and they go through a process called photosynthesis, and they make basically food for themselves. They make sugars, okay? But the food and the sun both are a type of energy. This is where they get their energy. This is where we get our energy. All right. The other thing that both plants and animals need, I know you guys remember this one, it is water. Okay. We have to have water and they have to have water. Okay. Everybody's got to have water. That's why it's important to keep the water on Earth, don't pollute it. Okay. Because everybody needs it to survive. And the last thing that both of us have to be able to do, plants as producers and humans and animals as consumers, is we have to be able to, let's put it this way, get rid of waste. Okay, and I know all my fifth grade students are thinking right now, ooh, Miss Ross is talking about pooping. Well, I'm talking about pooping, and yes, I'm talking about peeing, but I'm also talking about breathing out carbon dioxide. So we're going to put this two ways. So we're going to write poop. Ms. Ross, you want me to write poop? Yes, write poop, write pee, and write breathing out. You have to be able to breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, those are the waste product, carbon dioxide. Those are the waste products that humans and animals make. They make poop, they make pee, and they breathe out carbon dioxide. Now, for plants, they get rid of their waste by releasing releasing oxygen. So plants have to be able to release oxygen. Because for a plant, oxygen is their waste. Okay? All right, so both need to get rid of waste. We poop, pee, and breathe out, and plants release oxygen as a waste product. All right, so make sure that you have this in your science journal. You will need to know these things for your test, so make sure that if we give you an anchor chart that you take it down. All right, talk with you guys soon. Bye, you are loved.